Hello students, today I will teach you about the religion of the people of Harappa. Yesterday I discussed about the Harappan civilization, the earliest and the richest civilization of the whole world. And we, the Indians, should feel proud of that, our rich possession. Now, religion. Some of the objects which were found at the ruins of the city of Mohenjo-daro helps us to know about the religious belief of the people. Now, the people of the Harappan, Mohenjo-daro, they used to worship Mother Goddess, the remarkable figure of a male deity which has been depicted on a particular seal is identified as Lord Shiva. So, Lord Shiva was popular among the people of Mohenjo-daro, and also the people used to worship trees and animals, because yesterday I mentioned you that the people had to depend very much on agriculture. There was no industry, so how they will survive, how they collect their food? So it was mainly an agriculture based society. That's why people used to worship trees and animals. Now, another thing is, we know that regarding the arts and the crafts, the another important thing is importance of the seals. The seals may be considered as the most valuable finds, as they give us valuable information about the Harappan civilization. More than 2000 seals of different types have been discovered from the various sites. These are usually square or oblong and made of terracotta and ivory. Among the seals, there were some animal seals, the unicorn seal, the Shiva Pashupati seals. These are the most important seals. And these seals played a very important role in the to collect the sources of Harappan civilization. Now, let us discuss some important points regarding the seals. From the figures of the seals, we come to know about the physical features, the dress, ornaments, and the hairstyles of people. And we also learn about the animals they used, because animals means, I told you yesterday that as the society based on agriculture, they used to domesticate many animals. Now, then the second point, the seals throw light on the religious faith and beliefs of the people. Okay, number 3 point, they give us an idea about their commercial activities. Now, next point, they reveal the remarkable skill of the artist. Next point, they show the scripts prevalent in those days. So, the seals are very important. Now, the vast civilization did not exist for a long time. There was a decline of the Harappan civilization. What were the causes? Why the civilization came to an end? The historians are not of single opinion. There are different opinions among the historians. Now, there is no clear evidence regarding the reason for the decline of the Indus civilization. The scholars have made various speculations about its abrupt disappearance. The scholars, that is the historians, they gave different opinions. If we consider those opinions, so number 1 point is an earthquake. Some are of the opinion that an earthquake or a cyclone might have caused the destruction of the cities. Second point, floods. Others say it might have been destroyed by floods. So these 2 points are based on natural calamities, natural disaster. Next, a change in the course of the river. The river might have changed its course now, and the river, while flowing, suddenly they changed their course, and as a result of that, they submerged most part of the cities. And the last point is an invasion. Some believe that an Aryan invasion might have brought about the destruction of the civilization. So, my students, here is an end of this chapter, the Harappan civilization. You have to go through the chapter thoroughly according to the syllabus of the chapter, that is the topics. And what I have discussed, go through the book. And another important thing is I will give you 4 or 5 questions. Wait for that. But meanwhile, a detailed discussion of the chapter is very much necessary. As I mentioned you that your question will be based on objective type of question, and the question will come from the board. From the previous year, this is the trend, that is the question will come from the board. So ICSE board objective type question, so mainly concentrate on the text. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, all the best.